Hey there YouTube. Today I'm going to be installing this quiet check valve. I'll put the brand and ASIN number on Amazon on the screen right now. I currently have a, what is it, Zoller? Yeah, Zoller. This thing is loud. It's just stupid loud. Now that kick is felt all throughout the house, at least 2 bedrooms. So I'm going to replace it with this thing. I will say that this pipe is 1.25 inches, and this is for 1.5 inches PVC. But I don't want to reinstall all this pipe, so what I'm going to do is use some adapters to put this in place, and I'm actually going to use the, can't remember what they're called, those fittings, those rubber fittings on the Zoller. I'm going to go ahead and put them on a piece of 1.5 inches here. I'll show you what I mean. I'm going to take these rubber fittings off this loud check valve and use them on the new one. Alright, so it's just PEX plumbing. It's just PVC plumbing 101. Inserted this into this, made sure this was tight. I'm going to make a mark on the pipe here where I need to cut. There we go, handy dandy screwdriver marker right there. One done. So we'll do the dry fit. Easier to replace the one that's attached to the sump pump. There we go. I'm doing it this way. If I mess up and I haven't glued it yet, I don't have to. I can recut the pieces of PVC here. Let's go glue this sucker. Alright, now that the cement's dry, I was a little worried because the glue was kind of gooey. I will get this done without a trip to the hardware store. That's what I'm just trying to do. And go ahead and put on the grommets. There we go. So put the compression collars on there before the clamps. I worry about these collars. They feel kind of cheap. Oh good, I put it the right way up. Alright, so now I'm going to plug it in and you can watch it in action. Oh my god, that's amazing.